I review cordless vacuums for a living, and I chose the Tineco Pure One Station to be the cordless stick vacuum for the first floor of my house. And my child, my 2.5-year-old, is strong enough to maneuver and handle this cordless stick vacuum. So let me show you how it works, everything about it. We're going to unbox it. They're going to take you to a complete run, and I'm going to even do a battery test and show you why this, with the clean base, with this clean station, compares so well to the Dyson V12 Slim. So let's check it out. Let's get to it. So this is the Tineco Pure One and the Tineco Pure One Station all in one. We're going to be taking it out of the box. I'm going to show you what you get. The box itself will be the quick start guide. So all you need to do is just put everything together. So let's take it out and let's see and set it up. That's going to be your motorized brush head. The Tineco Pure One's motor is quite small and easy to handle as a hand tool, but you'll find that the power here is really good, and it comes with one of the most advanced displays on the market. So this is everything inside the box. So we're going to set it up. Now all you need to do to set this up is just put the base together and then just put these things together. So we got the wand here, and you just have to place the wand inside. Boom, done. And I have the option to either clip on the brush here, or I can use the hand tool and just take everything apart and just use this as a hand tool, as you see. Now, if you guys are looking, Tineco went with a mirror glossy finish on a lot of their surfaces. This is not going to be like piano black. It's more like a dark gunmetal chrome shiny. So these pieces, you want to keep them well protected, otherwise they could get scratched up because they are shiny. It's almost mirror shiny. Every other area is matte. I mean, Tineco has done a really good job here in terms of their manufacturing. There's no gaps, everything is seamless. There's no like areas where you're feeling like it's leaky or it's not well constructed. It's pretty solid. But even though it's solid, it's very reasonable in terms of the weight. And if you want to know how to empty it, all you need to do is just press that open, and that's very similar to like a Dyson. And if you ask me what is the Tineco Pure One here most like, it is going to really resemble a Dyson V12 Slim because of the weight, because of the functionality, because of the smaller dust cup, because of even the quality of the motor, even the sound of the motor. It really resembles the Dyson V12 Slim. The self-emptying bin is pretty easy to set up. You just have to place it in here, and it's going to clip into place. Then the top, if you take a good look inside, you'll notice that this area is closed, but you can remove the tank right here. And look at how big this dust cup is. If you're familiar with the Tineco S5, the S3, some of their wet dry vacuums, this is really reminding of the shape of their dirty water tank on those. And if you want to open it, it's just as easy as well. All you have to do is press this on the back and it will pop open, shake, 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 and close. If you want to clean it, you could just pop this portion out and you have your lid. These are all removable parts, and making it easy to clean. So I do enjoy how they constructed this. This is not like the Bespoke from Samsung, which is a little bit more complicated. The Tineco is just a simpler design. So let's bring it about. We're gonna just lock in the top. This top is gonna have a hole. It's gonna lock into this hole. Here is where the unit will actually be placed into. They do give you a little area for placement of your accessories.
Cleanliness checking, self-cleaning mode. Do not take out the vacuum cleaner during self-cleaning process. If you need to use the vacuum cleaner, please press the self-cleaning button. Self-cleaning completed.
So if you're looking at the display, just don't throw out the sticker right away, because then you're not going to understand exactly what you're seeing. So this comes with a Tineco eye loop, and that ring changes from red to blue as the debris is cleaned out of your unit. Now you have your voice prompts.
Voice prompts on.
You also have your indicator lights here. There's malfunction, vacuum locked and unlocked. If you have signal connection showing, that means your unit is attached. Dustbin maintenance means you need to empty it. And you have your pet grooming.
Pet grooming mode.
If you use pet grooming mode, it is just a brush roll that has suction that you can remove the fur directly into your clean base station. So this is going to be the Tineco Pure One's menu. You can see the charging right here. If you have all 5 dots blinking, so this is going to be where this is going to indicate your battery level, auto mode, Wi-Fi. You have your clean filter indicator here, clean brush roll, clean dust sensor, and here will read out your power levels. So the secret is that if I remove this, you kind of got to figure it out what is what on your own, which is why I recommend, unless you have to, do not remove the sticker. The Tineco also comes with an Auto Max button up top. The Tineco still uses the trigger. It has a removable battery. It's going to be coming with the mirror display, this eye loop display up top here. Here will be your motorized brush roll. Zero tangle, it's been updated, and this is only for the Pure One Air Pet and Pro series, not for the regular, because it's a little bit different in how they configured this brush roll. So this is the Tineco Fur-Free Kit series, and it's going to be coming with the brush, and this brush is really going to replicate a Furminator, except the other end of it is going to be attached to a suction hose that's going to connect directly to your Tineco. So let's take it out. So this is the brush that will come with the fur kit. If you use this as a brush and this collects all the fur and you want to just get rid of that fur, what you can do is just hold down the button and then it will close it out. Now, these loud noises might scare your dog or your cat, so make sure not to just do it right in front of them because it could be a little bit scary. If we pop it out, what you're going to be doing is just popping off the roller. They give you a hose, so this is the hose that you're going to attach directly to your Tineco. Close it back in.
Please put the vacuum cleaner back into the clean station properly.
Now that it's secure, we're just going to secure our brush. So now that it is attached, you want to press the pet groom button on the handle.
Pet grooming mode.
Now this is actually going to be having suction to it. So this has suction.
Pet grooming has stopped.
So basically how you use this brush is that you just brush your pet as it's attached to your Tineco, and then you just press the fur button on your station. So if you're wondering if the motorized Tineco brush roll is going to be any different, you can see, rotate it. There's grooves inside to make it anti-tangle. And if you look right here, there's going to be teeth that's going to be collecting as much of the fur out of the brush roll as possible. So if you want to know how to remove your brush roll here, just press the button on the motorized head. You're going to turn it and then pull. And here is what the brush roll looks like. So they have hard plastic teeth here. They do ask that you clean them regularly. There's 2 rows of them, 1 and 2. So we keep our Tineco hidden here, which is So we keep our Tineco hidden here, which makes things really easy because watch what I can do. I can hide it because I got a curtain. Just take our curtain. Voila, you can have your station be more blended than if you're worried about it standing out too much. So that's something really cool. Now let's get to vacuuming. We're gonna just take it out. This is my cat's litter area. And there's a lot of crumbs on the floor because this is cat litter. So we have 5 bars of battery here. I'm going to put it on max. I'm not going to see how long this is going to last in terms of battery life. So about 5 minutes later, I set it down, and total time that it operates on max is 20 minutes, on auto about 55 minutes, and the battery capacity is 40,000 milliampere hours. If you want to clean your unit, all you have to do is align the handle and the brush roll in the station, and let's hear how it happens.
Self-cleaning completed.
Ultimately, is the Tinaco Pure 1 station going to be right for you? Or is the Pure 1 going to be right for you? I think if you're getting this version, it's because it's so light. It's just like 2.6 pounds. It's one of the most maneuverable and lightest. So it's going to be lighter than the Samsung Bespoke, and it really reminds me of the Shark Detect Pro. So those two are going to be similar, except the Tinaco is coming with more features. It has longer battery life. It comes with the station, obviously, and it has a more advanced menu display. So there are some differences between the two, and ultimately, what most people will be comparing this to is the Dyson V12. And the Dyson V12 is one of our favorites. However, the Tinaco is still going to be a little bit less expensive, and you'll get the station and the unit for the same price as a Dyson V12. So you got to decide for yourself which one is better for your budget, which one is better for your home, and which one is better for you. Because to me, this Tinaco makes a lot of sense, but it has to make sense for your wallet. And with that, thanks for watching, everybody. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. We will get back to you. And please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help support our channel. And I'll see you soon. This is David with the French Glow showing casing our Tinaco Pure 1. I'll see you soon. Bye, bye, bye.